guys, namaste, this is Shivani, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about MyGlamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick.
Hey guys, so here I'm using a lip balm before applying the matte lipstick. It's a very important step to hydrate and make your lips plumper. So here I'm using the shade Hook Up. It's a very pretty shade and I love this shade. So this shade is like a burnt orange shade. You can see the color. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes to get dried up. Now the lipstick is completely dry and you can see the actual texture of this lipstick. It looks really pretty and it's a very beautiful day kind of a shade. You must try this one.
Currently I'm wearing this shade which is Hook Up, and this is a burnt orange kind of shade which complements every Indian skin tone. Whether your skin tone is medium, light or dark, this color suits almost every skin color and I absolutely love this color, like wow. So I'm using this lipstick from last year and I have like 12 or 15 shades of particularly this collection and I absolutely love this lipstick. It's amazing and the color is amazing, the pigmentation is great. The lipstick is overall 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because the color and the shades of the lipstick is amazing. So this gives the ultimate matte finish and this is smudge proof, transfer proof and very long lasting, stays up to 12 hours, gives a hydration. It has moringa oil which gives hydration to your lips. So this lipstick is overall amazing and the colors are available in 100 different shades. Yes, MyGlamm have launched 100 shades to pick from. So you can go and check the website where you can see there are 100 shades of this lipstick. The ingredients which are used in this lipstick are 100% vegan. So this is absolutely cruelty free and if you want to try this lipstick for free, you have to follow these steps. You have to fill a survey. So right now there's a MyGlamm survey going on which you can go to their website, answer a few questions and just complete the survey and you can get your first lipstick absolutely free. And this is for the new users only. All you have to do is just click on the link which is given in the description box. You will go to the page where the survey is. Now I will show you on the screen how to fill the survey and then you can get your lipstick absolutely free. So go watch the video.
So the page will show up by clicking on the link which is given in the description box. Now you have to answer these questions. After you answer all the questions, you can get free lipstick and pick your favorite color, whichever color you wanna order. Once you claim your free lipstick, you will go in the cart and you can see there is 99 rupees as a delivery charge, but if you buy more products worth rupees 199, you don't have to pay the shipping charges. You will only pay the product price of that product. Like I picked this 3 lipstick trio and then I only have to pay 199. Now just add your login and sign up ID and you're done.
Hey, so I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I hope you will order your first lipstick absolutely free. And this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.